Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to post peer-to-peer trading advertisement on Binance mobile app. How to advertise your peer-to-peer trading assets on Binance mobile app. Becoming peer-to-peer cryptocurrency merchant is easy with Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. Please, if at the end of this video you find it very useful and helpful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel faster, and hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving, or you can be getting notified when I release a new video. Without wasting time, we move on to today's topic: how to post peer-to-peer trade advertisement on Binance mobile app. Now, I know you must have the Binance app on your phone, and if you don't have the Binance app on your phone, you can check our video that will instruct you or teach you how to download Binance app on your mobile phone. The link to the video will be in the description of this video. So tap on the Binance app, you log on to your account. If you don't have account already, you can create a new account with Binance Exchange platform, and after creating your new account, you have to verify your new account. We have video for opening of Binance new account and verifying of Binance new account open. The link to the two video will also be in the description of this video. So after we have done this, so the next thing is we are going to click on more. We are going to click on more. Click on more. So when we click on more, we tap on trade. Tap on trade. We tap on trade. So after that, we tap on P2P, which means peer-to-peer. Tap on P2P, which means peer-to-peer. If you are opening for the first time, risk notice will be given to you. Just accept and confirm it. Accept it and confirm it. Then, so immediately you get here. Now we click on add. So tap on add. So if you want to add the authenticator, that's to form your second level authenticator, your 2FA, so you can continue to the check authenticator. But I'll click later for this to help me to continue the video. So you can see, so we are here now. So the next thing is to click on post ad. Click on post ad. Post ad. So we have 3 tasks to set here. So we're going to set, the first one is to set the type and the price of the ad. But first, I'm not buying. We are posting an ad that we are selling an asset. So I'll click on sell. That should be the first thing. I'm selling USDT. So I want to get it in my fiat, which is NGN. Choose your currency. So the price type, I want it to be fixed. I don't want it to be floating. Floating means the price will be floating according to the market price, but I want it to be fixed. I want to be manually editing my price myself. So the price, the lowest price in the market, it's this 849 naira 75 kobo. But I want to, the price that I want to sell my own is 848.88. So that's the price that I want to sell my own. I want it to be slightly lower than the lowest price of the day, so that my ad will have a competitive edge. Then the next thing, I click on next. So I said the total amount of the asset that I have, let's say I have 10,000 USDT. I have 10,000 USDT with me. So now minimum order, the minimum order that I will take is 10,000 Nigerian naira. Then the maximum that I will take, per transaction, let's say, is 1 million. So here, if I have already set up my payment method, you can look at the video that we discussed how to set up payment method, how to add new payment method to your peer-to-peer trading account. The description of the link to the description of the video will be in the description of the video. But because I have not set it up, I'll click on add. So add a new payment. So that's how you add it. You can look at that video. But let's just move on. So after doing everything, then I want the payment limit time. The person buying what is the minimum wait that I can wait before receiving the payment? Let me choose 45 minutes. Choose 45 minutes. So now, what I want to, so the, after setting all these parameters, I'll set up the total amount and the payment, but I click on next. So if I click on next, it will take me to the third parameter, but now it will ask me to have, let me change it to 10, change it to 1000. So it will ask me, so because I don't have any, I have insufficient balance. So anyway, that's why it's showing that. So if you click on it next, it will take you to the next task, which is where to set your, or it's just to your automatic message that you want your your buyer to see, and the remarks that you want to give them. So after that, the ad will be properly set up and it will be looked into, and if it's approved, you will see it on your page and your in your account that your ad is running live. So that is how to add or post normal ad to your peer-to-peer trading platform on Binance Mobile. So how to add your normal ad, or how to post your normal ad to your trading platform, your normal peer-to-peer trading advert on your Binance Mobile app. So I hope the video is you enjoyed the video, and you gain one or two things from from the video. From the video, please like the video and share the video with your friends and family, and comment on the video. If you have any question, put it on the comment section. I will look at it and answer the question. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I release new video. Thank you, and thank you very much. The last before we go is that the description to this peer-to-peer trading platform will be in the description. The link to the